Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Titus. Now in this video I am going to do an unboxing, and this time around I'm going to unbox two rare plants from my previous rare plant wish list. Now this year is really coming to be a year of where actually checking off a lot of those plant checklists that I had before, and fortunately enough, I managed to finally secure two of those plants that I've been wanting for a while now, and they are in here. I think it's one of those, not luck of the draw, but it is a blessing. But I think because it's also spring and summer that there's a lot more plant availabilities, and after the COVID lockdown has lifted, and it is true, prices vary. After the lockdown has lifted, the plants business and rather prices for rare plants have also dropped down in prices, I think, or in my opinion anyway. So I managed to secure some hopefully good plants in here. So there are two plants that I'm going to unbox. One of them is the Philodendron Glorious, which is something that I've been wanting for a really long time after an El Salvador monstera, and then the other one is the Philodendron Gloriosum. So I'm really excited to see what's in here. Hopefully I won't be disappointed, so let's go and have a look. Alright, let's go. Alright. Oh wow, so this one actually looks nice because it's got this calling card right there. Not endorsing this company at all because it's not free, I paid for it, but that's nice. If they've got like a calling card, it just shows to show that they're actually serious with their business, and it must be a legit plant company at least. Although, where did I buy this? Oh yeah, I bought this online. Alright, so here is the box right here. I've just opened it up, and now I'm unboxing to see what's in there. I haven't been this excited since the Thai constellation because I actually don't know what to expect. Oh, I thought I smelled something when I unboxed that dead monstera. Seriously, monstera albo. There's this like dead smell, but I hope that's not the smell of it. This thing has like heaps of tissues in there, which is probably to keep them moist. They're not used. Maybe I can still use these. Oh wow, that's a lot of tissue. Oh my gosh. They're here, and I think they're potted up. Oh wow. Sorry, I'm just so excited. They're right there. I can't even see it yet, but they're potted up. And I hope that they're packed really, really well. Oh, I thought there was gonna be something in there. But it looks like this is like a nice way of packing air in so that they stay in place. Wow. So I get free tissues and also some free, what do you call it, sealable plastic right there. Okay, here they are. Oh, more sealable plastics that are filled with air. Very smart. Okay, I'm gonna recycle that. So I'm gonna reuse it. And here are the plants. Right there, they're securely intact. Now let me see if I can get a handle of this. I've had enough with making a lot of mess here, and honestly, ever since we moved in our house, I've only ever vacuumed once or twice upstairs. It's just so rigorous. It's a tedious job vacuuming, but you gotta vacuum, right? Because it's a house after all. Alright, I'm actually looking for a scissor right now because I need to cut this off somehow. Alright, stay there, don't go away. Alright, I found the scissors finally, it's here. Alright, so let's cut that bit off. Oh man. Oh, I really hope that this is a good one. Sometimes I feel like, you know, plant industry, they're supposed to be helping the economy. Not economy, the environment, but there's just too much plastic waste if I don't recycle this, so I am gonna save these plastics just so I could resell them. But okay, so first one, let's show you guys. So this particular plant right here that I'm holding, and I'm guessing is the Philodendron Glorious. Okay, it's got 2 leaves. I can just see through this plastic. I'm just gonna unwrap this. So let's have a look. So in the market, they have been selling this quite commonly, or rather the private market, and the price that I got for this was, I think, pretty good considering it's healthy. Oh, I don't want to rip that leaf off. Just want to be super gentle. Okay, slowly come out. Yeah, there you are. Oh, nice. All right, so look at that. So this is the Philodendron Glorious. All right, and that is a really nice, healthy leaf. No visible, what's that word? I keep running out of words. Like every time I think about it, I lose it. So this plant does not have any visible deformities whatsoever or any pest marks on it at all. Look how perfect those leaves actually look. I need to have a look at it myself. Wow, it's so nice. It's almost like, honestly, a mycans, the way how velvety it is. But I can't wait to actually grow this because these grow really massively, just like a melanochrysum, but it also grows massive like a gloriosum. Oh man, and I got a free pot too, so that's a good thing, and it's a see-through pot, so I can actually see the moisture level of it. So this one is definitely 100% win. Okay, so what is this? Philodendron Glorious right there. All right. Actually, for anyone else who doesn't know, Philodendron Glorious is actually a hybrid of a Gloriosum and melanochrysum. If you were watching my previous video, then you would know that. Okay, it's still very tiny. Look, doing that Kaylee Ellen head test. It's not that big yet, but still, it's really nice and it's really good. All right, so really happy about that. Let's open up our second plant. So glad that I bought 2 of these at the same time. Just thought I'd make the most out of it while he's there. I nearly bought an Aetherium, but then it got sold straight away, which was a shame, but I think it's probably the right decision, maybe. I don't know. I've never really looked after an Aetherium, but because it's also an aroid, I'm just guessing that the care it would require will be really similar to all the aroids plants that I've looked after. Okay, alright, so the next plant here that I have is the Philodendron Gloriosum. Okay, it looks like this one's gonna be a little bit messy because I can see some sphagnum moss coming out already, but let's just have a look. Alright, I just want to gently open it because I don't want to damage the leaves. I've never, not never, but I haven't been this excited since the Thigh Constellation unboxing. But hey, I think it's worth it. It's so worth it. Oh, alright, so the next plant that I'm unboxing is the Philodendron Gloriosum. Wow. Alright, let me show you guys how this one looks. Alright, you guys ready? 1, 2, 3. It's so much bigger than the Philodendron Glorious. Okay, it's got a little bit of blemishes on it. That was the word I was looking for. Around there and there, but okay, sorry. I was cringing because I can see that there's another leaf in there that's trying to come out, and I'm just assuming that that's a new shoot trying to come out, but it's a bit damaged. I don't know if it's because of the packaging. I'm assuming it is. Anyway, so this is the Philodendron Gloriosum. It's got 2 nice leaves. This one's, oh no, that one's a bit bent. Oh, I hope that's okay. Took a beating actually. Okay, but because these are the 2 baby mother leaves, I'm expecting and hoping that in future, when I get more leaves, that it's going to be much more perfect. Is that the proper word? Presentable. It does have a little bit of blemishes here and there, and I'm guessing that it could be pests, so I'm gonna be really mindful about how I treat this. Have to isolate it before I actually pop them out. Otherwise, I think it's a really good buy. This one was around $70. So that's good. Alright, so those are the two plants that I have. Really mindful that I don't kill it. Now, before we end this, I just want to show you guys something because something really sad happened to my Philodendron El Salvador and all the leaves came off. Okay, now, whether that's overwatering, neem oil, I have no idea to be honest, but I kind of presumed that the care tips for that El Salvador would be the same as that Celtipacana that you can see here. And you know what? Surprisingly, this Celtipacana now has like 2 fenestration on its previous leaf. This new recent one that came out again didn't give that fenestration. No idea why. I thought it'd be consistent, but hey, you know, it's growing quite healthy and well. Luckily enough, I got another Monstera El Salvador. I'll get it for you in a sec. Alright, and it's here and it's this one. Okay, so that one is just on a tiny moss ball and I'm hoping that this one does survive. It's very tiny. I'm gonna try to restrict watering until it actually shows sign of possible thirst and dehydration. No, probably not up to that stage, but hopefully this one lives. Oh man, I just love this plant. The 2 most beloved plant that I probably want to have in a really long time is the El Salvador and the Glorious, and I finally have both of them here. So yeah, in future I do want to release another wish list of mine that's super rare, or maybe I think it's super rare wish list. So I hope that you guys you know, will continue to support my channel. I do also want to provide you guys with other care tips, such as I keep getting asked about what type of soil mix do I use in my plants, and I'm hoping to make that as well in future. So I hope that you guys continue to support me. If you guys like this video, then please go ahead and click that like button. If you do want to see me make more videos like this, then please click that subscribe button. Otherwise, if there's any comments whatsoever, or if there's any other videos that you guys want me to make, then please jot them down in the comments down below. Alright, so that's it guys. I will see you guys on the next video. Until then, goodbye and God bless.